Hi, my name is Jaclyn Hall, and I work for Congressman Chip Roy as his field representative based in Kerrville. Field representative is kind of a jack of all trades in some ways, answering the phones, working with federal agencies, communication between constituents and federal agencies is a lot of it, and then outreach to events in the local area. I got caught by the political bug kind of early on, so right out of high school I started interning with several different legislators, first in Austin, Texas at our state capitol, and then this is my first federal position, so I'm getting to know the federal government, which is fun sometimes and other days not so much. So the free market right there in the name is key, and really trying to facilitate more choice and options for the consumer in the healthcare industry, whether we're talking about insurance, whether we're talking about care, which can be two very different things, but I love the free market approach of it. He is very supportive, again, of choice for the patients especially, and really trying to protect that doctor-patient relationship. It seems that there's a lot that is getting in the way of that these days, and so just really getting back to the original model of the doctor and the patient being able to discuss healthcare issues, and everyone's different, you know. Choices for one person might be different than another, and really trying to facilitate that. So he's all for looking at options in terms of direct primary care. Congressman Roy is carrying a piece of legislation that is focused on the VA, but it's kind of introducing a direct primary care model into the current VA healthcare system. And so it's a little bit of a pilot program, but something that could really take off. I think we really are at a fork in the road in terms of healthcare nationally. Whether we're on the left, they're talking about single payer systems, or on the right, we're talking about choice and doctor-patient relationship and keeping that sacred. And I think with that crossroads, there's a lot of opportunities. There's a place for us to step up as a voice and offer more options. Congressman Roy is thrilled to see a group like this that's not necessarily based in his district, but near it. He's got a little bit of San Antonio, a lot of the Hill Country, but he's thrilled to see local doctors that are working in the direct primary care model, and they're trying this out for themselves and investing themselves into it, and they're willing to offer that choice for their patients, and so he's really pleased to see that.